of other students later. I think Priya is trying to write. Okay, so let's concentrate. Okay, so now in your life, have you heard about, say, for example, if someone asks you to compare two numbers. Okay, let's assume someone asks you to compare two numbers, say something like, 9 and say 7, right? So how do you compare 9 and 7? What's the mathematical expression that we use, to mention this? I need to compare 9 and 7. What do we say?
Greater than, smaller than, equal to.
Very good. So we use the word, we have a number 9, we have a number 7, we say 9 is greater than 7. Or we can also say that 7 is less than 9, right? So how do we compare 9 and 7? We say that 9 is greater than 7 or 7 is less than 9, right? So these are few mathematical expressions that we have. So can anyone share more mathematical expression, anything that you know? Any mathematical expressions that you know? I'll write, you tell me. Any mathematical expressions that you know? Anyone? Anyone? Why are you not talking? Okay, so Rochan says it is equal. Okay, 2x is equal to 10. Okay, 2x is equal to 10. So 2x is equal to 10. Is it, do we call it an expression or an expression? Priya, these are very fundamentals. It might look very funny for you, but that's okay. Anyone? Okay. Okay. So let me do one thing. First, let me give you a problem to start with. I think you are not, you did not get into the rhythm of, discussing things. Let me start off with some questions. Then we'll come back. Okay. So let me start with some easy questions which most of you can solve. Okay. Okay, can anyone solve this and tell me the value of m? Solve this. It's a very simple question. Quickly solve this and tell me what is the value of m. Okay, so m is equal to 3. Is everyone comfortable calculating the value of m here? Is there anyone in this class who is highly uncomfortable? Sir, I don't know how to do this. Please mention you don't know. Can you solve this equation and tell me the value of m? Okay, someone is saying m is equal to 3, not 3, sir. So what is it? Yeah, it's definitely not 3. Yes. Priya says it's 4. Okay. Okay. So let's look at this. How do we solve this question? So now here, basically, you have something called 8m. 8m minus 3 is equal to 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5, can I write 24 plus 5 as 20? What? 9. So you have 8m minus 3 is equal to 29. Now, basically, how many of you know that if I take this minus 3 on the other side, what happens to this minus 3? That will become plus 3. Yes? Very good. So you know that 8m will be equal to 29. This minus 3 goes on the right hand side, will become 29 plus 3. So you have 8m is equal to 29 plus 3. What is 29 plus 3 is 32. If your 8m is 32, then m is equal to 32 divide, your 8 goes down, right? You divide this by 8. So m is equal to 32 by 8. Now here we did 2, we have transposed this minus 3 to that side, it has become plus 3. So we did one interesting step here. For people who don't know how to do it, tell me, I'll just stop here. I'm saying there is one step that we did. We pulled out this minus 3 from this side and we put it this side, it has become plus 3. Another thing that we did is 8m is equal to 32. When we moved this 8m on the other side, it came into the denominator. So these are the two major expressions, rather, these are the two things that we have done differently. Not differently, what I mean to say that these are the two operations that we did. Is there anyone in the class who doesn't understand how this minus 3 has become plus 3 on the other side? Or this m which has gone on the right hand side, it has become divided by m, divided by 8. How many of you do not understand this? Please mention you don't understand that. So I'm saying this is step 1 and this is step 2. Anyone who doesn't understand, tell me so that I can teach. Otherwise, we can go further. If you have understood the problem, no problem at all. You want to go ahead, I will go ahead. If you want to understand something, I'll teach that. Because I don't want to waste time when I go to the difficult problems. Understood. Akshat says understood. Is there anyone who needs help? Anyone who needs help with this problem? Easy. Very good. Very good. Come on. Quickly solve this. Quickly solve this. Okay. If people who did not understand, if you're not responding, I'll assume that you have understood. We'll go further. People who need help, say that I need help. Okay. Guys, there is nothing called easy, difficult. Don't feel low. You can always discuss fundamentals. Solve this.
Sir, is it written that it's equals to minus 25?
Yes, it is written as minus 25. Yes. 7 plus 5x minus 31 is equal to minus 25. Okay, let's look at it. So if you have 7 plus 5x minus 31 is minus 25, what do? So you can keep x's on one side. You can take the numbers on the other side. So you can just keep 5x here. What I can do is I'll keep minus 25 on the right hand side. I will transpose this plus 7. There is 7 here. If I take it on the other side, it will be minus 7. And this minus 31, if I take it on the other side, it will be plus 31. Okay, so you can see 5x is equal to minus 25 minus 7 plus 31. Minus 25 minus 7, what will happen when two negative numbers are added? They'll just add up. 25 plus 7 will be 32. So that is minus 32 plus 31. So you have this as minus 32. I'm writing one more step for the comfort of others. This minus 25 and minus 7 becomes minus 32 plus 31. Therefore, your 5x is equal to minus 32 plus 31 is minus 1. Therefore, your x is equal to minus 1 by 5. So this is once again an easy question. If anyone has a problem, stop me. Otherwise, we are going ahead. Priya, are you okay now? You got it as minus 2. Are you okay? Do you get it right now? Priya, are you good? Yes, sir. Good. So let's go ahead. Okay, Priya also got it as 7 by 3. So let's do this quickly for the support for everyone else. Okay, Hitansh also got it as 7 by 3. Quickly, what do we use here? We use the distributive property. We have 9 into x is 9x plus 9 into 1 is 9 is equal to 2 into 3x is 2 3s are 6x, and you have 2 into 8, therefore plus 2 8s is 16. So what do? We transpose this 6x on this side, therefore we have 9x. The 6x, when it comes onto the left hand side, it will become minus 6x. That should be equal to, you have 16 as a number on that side. We'll transpose this 9 on that side, 16 minus 9. So your 9x minus 3x is 3x. Your 3x is 16 minus 9, which is 7. Therefore, your x is equal to 7 by 3. That's the way you solve that. Yeah? Makes sense? Good. Let's go further. Solve this.